Alright, let's work on number 23. Number 23 is a little bit funny. I think um, whoever the instructors were that decided to make this practice exam, they probably, emphasized what average is and what average could mean. It could either mean median or mean. So I don't know if this is really that great of a question. I am an instructor, so I mean, if you listen to me and listen to my feelings towards this, if I don't really think that this is a really good question, I would almost anticipate that, you shouldn't see a question like this. But for the sake of maybe, there's always a chance that you could see a question like this in an exam. For that purpose, I'm going to do it. But just so you know, it doesn't really follow a lot of the homeworks you've been doing. Let me read the question. The seller and the buyer both review the prices of the last 5 textbooks sold. All right. The seller makes a case that the average price is $20, while the buyer makes a case that the average price of the 5 textbooks is only $15. Construct an example of 5 textbook prices that could explain how both sides may be correct. Identifying the measure of center you think each side is using. So there's the measure of center is median and mean. This average number doesn't really specify what that mean and median is. That's why the seller and buyer are both arguing what the average is. So what you need to do is you need to construct a combination of 5 numbers that could that results to an average of either 15 as the mean and median as 20, or the flip side of that is having a median of 15 and an average of 20. I don't know. It makes more sense if I just write it out and do it by hand. So this is what I mean by constructing a combination of 5 numbers. So what we could do is we could say that our mean is going to be 20. So if our mean is 20, the total of these 5 numbers is going to be 100, right? 100, because if we divide 100 by 5, what does that equal to? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We divide that by 5, well, it's 20, guys, it's 20. So if our mean is 20, that means the other average that we're supposed to have is 15. So our median is 15. So if we do this, this is gonna, accurately portray what the buyer and seller are arguing. So if our median is 15, that means if we put other numbers in here, this is gonna have the 2 numbers below this is gonna have to be less than 15. So 5, we can put 5 here, and 10. So 15 plus 15 is 30. So the rest is gonna have to equal to 60. So we can put 30 and 30. So we add all of these numbers, gets us 100, divided by 5, it gives us a mean of 20. So this is a case where you have two averages, right? What they're arguing about, 15 and a 20. The other way is, the opposite way of doing this is, sorry, let me erase this. The other way of doing this is constructing a different set of 5 numbers where our median is 20 and our mean is 15. Does that make sense? Or X bar? So in this case, we're gonna have to figure out what we're gonna tally this up to so that it's equal to 15. But again, you're gonna have to select numbers and make sure it equals to a number that you want divided by 5. So what total divided by 5 equals 15? So you have to figure that out. I'm running out of time. I would say if you want to solve a question like this, it'd be easier, right, if your mean was 20, just because 100 divided by 5 is 20. I hope that's clear. Don't be stressed out about this problem. Yeah, don't be stressed out about this problem too much.